Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. For this spread, I will be using the June Good Life bundle that's available at Pixel Scrapper. And for this spread, I'm actually doing one side with a pocket layout, and then one side I have a layout template that I'm using. So this is unusual. I usually do mostly pocket style layouts, but every once in a while, if I have just one photo that I want to use on a side, then I will use one of my layout templates. So I'm just getting going here, putting in the papers in the background. This was a nice muted color palette for the month of June. I tend to like more muted colors because I have a lot going on my layouts usually, so a muted color palette will just kind of help not make things too crazy. And then once I've got my paper settled in the background, now I am coming in and adding in some elements for a little interest. All right, so I finished that side of the layout. So now I am here. So this is a layout template that I make usually 4 new layout templates every month. And I think this one is maybe from June. I'll have to have a look. I'll put it down below in the description. And so then it's, when you're using a layout template, it is pretty easy to just come in and clip in some papers, add a few elements, and it's a pretty easy business here. This template does have a lot of paper layers, so it is a little bit of a trial and error to get the papers where in a pattern in the layers that I like. And then just adding in a few little labels and fun little elements to finish everything up. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.